Hi! In front of me is VIVO Y21s, and today I would like to show you where you can access all your downloads. First of all, you need to find an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Then choose Continue and tap on Browse section at the bottom in the middle. After selecting Got It, in Find Storage Tips pop-up. Lastly, choose Downloads category. And as you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!